Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to remove and install the rear window regulator from all Saab 9.3s made from 2003. Enjoy the video. As you already seen, we removed the trim cover by prying at it using a trim removal tool. Then we removed the two T30 screws. By the way, make sure you drop the window 2 inches before anything. Next, using another trim tool, we pried behind the door trim panel to release the clips that holds it down to the door frame. To release the panel from the door trim, pull its lower part out, then push the panel up. There are 3 things to disconnect from the panel: the inner door handle cable and the 2 wiring harnesses connected to the door module. To disconnect the door cable, pull the white plastic holder out, then twist the tip of the cable out. To release the gray connector, rotate the black tab, then pull the connector. I lost some footage here, but use a blade to cut the black adhesive from behind the 4 motor barrier. Then take the 2 10mm bolts holding the glass to the regulator. It is your choice now of what to do to prevent the glass from falling down. Some tape it to the door frame. I choose just to support it with my fingers from underneath. It's a good time now to disconnect the motor electrical connector. Next, remove the 10mm bolt and the 2 nuts holding the regulator to the door frame. Oops! The most common failure of these regulators is a mechanical one, where one of the pulleys just let the cable go. After you remove the regulator, it's time to install the new one, where you will notice that we're using a different car. The later car has rear door speakers. There isn't any difference in the job beside the handling of extra 3 T30 screws and 1 connector. One suggestion is to lubricate the cable and the pulleys of the new one with silicone grease. Locate the lower 2 studs into their holes and hand tighten the nuts. And I cannot believe I'm saying this. Now slide the glass to match the holes with the regulator and tighten the 2 bolts there. Be very gentle with these 2 bolts. The water barrier should stick to the old freshly cut adhesive. Pass all the wiring connectors and the door cable through it first. You may or may not have the speaker, but it doesn't make the job any different. This yellow clip decided to stick to the door rather than the trim panel. Pull it with the trim tool and slide it to the door trim panel. Once you connect the wiring harnesses, I suggest you do an operational check of the door and the window. Installation is basically the reverse of removal. With that said, let me know in the comment section if I missed anything. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, if you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. Bye bye.